In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your GoDaddy subscription in a simple step-by-step way. Whether you're moving to a different provider, cleaning up old services you don't use anymore, or just trying to avoid an upcoming renewal charge, we'll go through exactly what you need to do so your subscription doesn't renew again. First, you'll need to sign into your GoDaddy account and go to the renewals and billing page. This is the central place where GoDaddy shows all of your active products and services, along with their renewal dates and billing status. After you log in, look for the section or menu option labeled something like Renewals and Billing or Billing, usually found under your account or profile menu at the top of the screen. Click that to open the full list of products. Once you're on the Renewals and Billing page, take a moment to review what's listed there. You should see things like domains, hosting plans, email services, website builders, and any other products you've purchased from GoDaddy. Each item will typically show its current status, when it's set to renew, and how you're being billed. Now, find the specific product you want to cancel. This might be a particular domain name, a hosting package, or another subscription service. When you see it, look for the checkbox next to that product. Carefully check that box to select it. It's important to double check that you're selecting the correct item, especially if you have multiple domains or services that look similar. You don't want to accidentally turn off auto renew on something you still need. If you're planning to cancel more than one product, you can usually check multiple boxes at once. Just go down the list, confirm each product you want to cancel, and mark each corresponding checkbox. Take your time here, because the next step will apply to all of the products you've selected. After you've checked the box or boxes for the product or products you want to cancel, look toward the top of the page for an option labeled Turn Off Auto Renew. This is the control that stops GoDaddy from automatically charging you and renewing that service when it reaches its expiration date. Click Turn Off Auto Renew. At this point, GoDaddy may show you a confirmation message or a small pop-up window asking you to confirm that you really want to turn off auto renew for the selected products. Read the message so you understand that this doesn't usually delete the product right away. It just means it will not renew once it expires. Confirm your choice to proceed. Once you've turned off auto renew, the status of that product on the renewals and billing page should update to reflect the change. You might see that the renewal option is disabled, or that it now shows an expiration date without automatic renewal. It's a good idea to refresh the page and verify that auto renew is indeed turned off for the items you selected. And that's it. By logging into your GoDaddy renewals and billing page, checking the box next to the product you want to cancel, and selecting Turn Off Auto Renew at the top, you've successfully stopped that subscription from renewing